So good afternoon to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we'll be discussing about Chemcon share. So today I've received many messages regarding Chemcon share that many people have bought at high levels, so that is 700 as well as 680 rupees level after the listing. So since they have not got the allotment, so they felt that we can do a short term trade to gain quick profit, but later the stock has started falling and almost approached the 590 rupees level. So currently it's trading near 588 rupees level. So many people have bought at high levels, let's say 680, 650. So they're telling that they're having the loss. So what can be done? So we'll discuss everything. So we'll see the market depth as well. So we'll see where the pressure is being seen in the stock. So everything will be discussed. So watch the video till the end. And if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. So today opening itself, it has given the listing gains of almost 115%. So many people have exited from this. So when we discussed about Route Mobile, we discussed that in that particular company, many people had trust, and also the promoter had bought very good investments. Majorly, if you see Goldman Sachs, when it has invested in the particular company, even though on that particular day it has given the dip, but next day onwards we have seen almost 20% upper circuit was seen in the stock. So today also this particular stock, we don't know what are the various bulk deals happened, whether any investment firm or banking company has invested in this or not. So we don't know that. So if it would have invested, then definitely stock price would also increase. So that has not happened. So continuous selling is only seen. So if we see the market depth of Chemcon, so currently you can see it is trading near 589 rupees. And if you see the market depth, so clearly you can see 98% sellers are seen and only 1% buying is seen right now. So many people have bought at 700, they're having loss. So you need to remember one thing. So since it has given huge listing gain, so everyone thinks that some more amount of listing gains will be present. So that is nominal. So everyone expects that, but that time you need to invest only 3 to 4 shares. Okay, so not more than that. If I've invested at that particular level, also almost 500 to 600 rupees loss you will be getting. So that is okay. So I've given a try. So that is ultimately depends on the luck as well, but never invest in heavy quantities. Okay, so currently now you can see it is taking the support near the 589 rupees level. So if you want to give a try, you can invest in 2 to 3 shares. We don't know, at any time anything may happen. So tomorrow also it may start giving the movement, because sector wise we know that it belongs to specialty chemicals, so nothing doubt about that. So it's a very good sector for the future. If it is attractive to people, to many investing firms, if they feel like investing, definitely they will invest. So we can see movement at any time. So I am suggesting, if you want, invest only in small portions at 580, or whether it may be 590 rupees level. So when we see about the financials, so everything was decent for the company. Only little cases and little negatives were present with the promoters as well as the management. So that's why that is creating little bit of trouble between the people who have invested in that. So immediately after getting the listing gains, so they are booking their profits. Okay, so slightly we can say panic situation was present, but it has given the listing gains. So 115% is also a very good gains it has reported, but slightly we can say not that as great as compared to Route Mobile. So completely different sectors, so we can't compare that. It depends upon the various factors on basis which we are investing. So it's a Vadodara based chemical sector company, and we also know that. So completely each and every fundamentals, hope everyone are having idea. So nothing much to discuss about it. So since the sector is very good, always try to see whenever you're getting any chance, because all the specialty chemical sectors, if you see, they trade at very high valuations. Okay, so this particular stock also, the PE is in the mid range, so nothing much high as compared to the sector PE. So currently, since it is available at very, we can say, discounted price, not discounted. So after 115, we are seeing now currently trading at 70% and above. So if you get a chance, invest only 3 to 4 shares, but not more than that. And this particular company has also very good presence in globally as well. So major countries like United Arab Emirates, South Korea, Italy, so it has very good recognition. So investment should come. So we need to discuss whether anyone is willing to invest in this company or not. If investments happen, then definitely even the stock price will start increasing, same as Root Mobile. So when Goldman Sachs has started investing, so even the stock price has started increasing for the 3 to 4 days. So you can add, but you need to wait little patiently and add only 2 to 3 shares, so more than enough. Okay, so nothing much to discuss in technical chart. So just we are seeing the 15-minute chart. So what happened just in the past, we can say few minutes. If you see in the 15 minutes candlestick, so directly after the 731 rupees level, so you can see it has started continuously, red candles were formed, so selling was seen. So currently you can see near 593 rupees level. So it's some sort of buying is seen. So minute quantity buying is seen. So heavy quantity, whenever heavy quantity buying will be seen, so directly huge movements will be seen in the stock. So that is not visible right now. So if it is visible and any bulk deals or any investment firm buys, I'm updating everything. So I'll update again in the next videos. We'll also discuss about cams as well, so how much, what to do, whether you're invested in that, so everything will be discussed. So if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel. So next videos we'll discuss about cams. So until then, take care, bye bye.